Big muscles, big muscles.
Beach body muscles. So, Andrea, explain to us what we're doing and how it's awesome.
It is awesome. So what we're doing actually is we're juicing a bunch of carrots and to make pulp so that we can bake. See? All we need is 1 cup, but let's not let the juice go to waste, so we're going to juice some, you know, mustard greens and ginger and apple and whatever else we want to throw in there just to make a juice while we're cooking, so we're not wasting anything.
Like the Native American Indians, except vegan style. We're not wasting stuff, but they eat meat, and we're not
eating meat.
They get it.
Let's not eat meat.
All right, let's go bake something.
Let's bake some cookies.
Almond flour.
Buckwheat flour.
1/4 cup of buckwheat flour.
Level it off.
1/4 cup of coconut flour with a finger leveler.
Why not?
2 tablespoons of golden flaxseed meal by Bob's Red Mill. Bobby, you owe us some commission. I'm just kidding.
Hey.
Outtake. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Not an exact science. We used a tablespoon and guessed.
It's about right.
It'll be just a little bit different
Eyeball it.
every time we make it. What about the eyeball?
We're eyeballing it.
1
Organic.
tablespoon organic maple syrup, full circle. Circle of what? Life. Teaspoon of simply organic pure vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons approximately of organic cinnamon powder. 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder, organic.
That's about right. 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Oop, that's about right.
1/4 cup of almond milk.
We're going to juice this orange, and I'm going to show you how to do it appropriately. Fork, orange. Just twist it around.
I never knew you had to be so violent with food to get it to cooperate.
Sometimes. Only when absolutely necessary. And if you want to get the best juice, you gotta give it a little bit of pressure.
Freshly squeezed orange juice, pressurized.
Give it a poke and a pressure.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So to get the best juice, you gotta give it a good poke and a good twist.
Okay. That's what I thought you meant.
Probably don't need all that much orange juice. This is 1 small orange, so.
The juice of 1 small orange is a pretty good sized orange, so that's probably about right. Mix together all the wet ingredients that we've added, and then we're gonna mix together the dry ingredients.
1 mashed banana. That feels interesting. These are all the moist ingredients. Smell that. It smells so good.
Oh my god.
You can eat this cookie dough because there's no eggs in it.
I know, right? It's all vegan. This ain't no cookie cutter project. We do this by hand.
Look like hamburger patties, don't they?
Vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free.
Just in time for the holidays.
The finished, vegan, gluten-free, baked good cookie product, homemade.
Try it.
It's soft, it's moist. A lot of gluten-free stuff isn't soft and moist. But this is surprisingly soft and moist, and it's pretty good. And just for a little bit of extra sweetness, Andrea put a little glaze of some maple syrup over the top of it. It's pretty good. So the coolness of all this, we didn't waste any of the pulp. We juiced, we got the juice out of it, then we used the pulp to bake a nice healthy vegan gluten-free treat just in time for the holidays.
Yummy.
Anything else you'd like to add? I guess that was it.
It's good.
I guess so. Okay, remember, you're going to pay the farmers or the hospitals. I recommend paying the farmers. You get to hang on to more of your wealth, and you'll feel better. You'll live longer.
Subscribe to our vlog.
And subscribe to our blogs and our YouTube channels, and look us up on Facebook. I'll see you guys later. We got some cookies to eat.